So welcome back. So the like I mentioned in the previous video, I'm going to start linking everything. So the first thing is that we linked individual um, students, so the individual courses to the central database, which is this, and now want to link it to the result. We want to make it autonomous or automated, as the case may be. So we're going to start linking. So first we are going to create a list and a drop down list. Go to data validation. This any value, go to list. Between what? So I'm going to make reference to my student profile, and I just need a list of their names. Actually, I think I'm going to do it by admission number. Oh, let me just do it by name. I'm gonna create a list and yep. So it's saying this type of cannot be. Why is it saying some? Okay. Oh, I don't know why that is, but that is interesting. Anyways, I can just create a new worksheet. Go to this student. Just get a list of student name here. Control C. Just right click, paste it here, and now I can create my list. Data validation, come to list, the source is sheet 1, just from here to here, and I'm done. So what it enables me to do is just to select any of the names of the student, and now I can start creating uh linking everything up. This is admission number, right? I'm going to just delete this admission number. So how do I get the admission number? So it's just for me to merge this guy and do a VLOOKUP. I'll say equal to v. No. I think I'll just do a match index match index, and so it will be equal index. So the array, uh, what I'm looking for. Oh, so I can do a reference. So I'm going to refer to this guy. Oh, I've forgotten how they do index match. Funny enough. Okay, so the array I want to return. Yes, I remember now. So what I want to return, this guy here, and I'll now do a match and check for the match takes lookup value. My lookup value with this person, and I didn't do a VLOOKUP because I'm looking backwards. I can also do an X lookup. So I'm going to log this guy. The match lookup array, where I want to look at this stuff, I want to look at it from here, and it takes the last match type, which is exact, and you can okay correct it for me, and you can see it has given me um if I click, the admission number changes like that. you know I go here, you can see it changes, and that is one way to go about it. The other way is to do an lookup value, which is this, lock it, lookup array. I'm gonna look at, that's where I'm looking up this value from here. Next thing is what I want to return. This guy, I want to return this guy. Then I'll say if not found. Yeah, well, if not found, just do this, put empty string, else match mode exact, and you can see these guys are the same thing. And the reason why we usually used to use index match before is because there was no X lookup, but now you can use X lookup and you can see it's giving me the same thing. And the session, I can just put uh, design wise. Let me just see. It's interesting to put. I can put the session as a list, and I'll go to data validation. Um, I can make this dependent, but I'll just do 2023, 2024 just because. Row number. Um, I would remove merge. What's the row number? There are six number. Um, I'm just going to merge these guys and do I think a VLOOKUP. Yeah, so a VLOOKUP will give me the row number since in the profile the row is front. The reason why we use an XLOOKUP or index match is because this is what we have here that is similar to this place, and these are our reference point. That's the name. I want to look backwards. So for this one, the row number is forwards. We can do VLOOKUP. You can still use XLOOKUP, mind you. XLOOKUP is a pretty interesting. So I'm just gonna lock these. Go back to my student profile. So four rows, four column, 11, 20, 30 rows. I want to look at the fourth column and 0, and you can see give me one Emily Johnson. If I click on the last person, Brian, it will tell me 30. So if you look at it, this Brian Carter, so it's 30, so it's good. The number in class, you can do a count, I think. Yes, you can do a count. So we'll do a count. What are we counting? We just count the number in class. That's how many in class. Or we can say rank in class. Let me just, because it just makes sense to see. Okay, let me just see. I'll just say number in class. It will still show me 30, which is pretty interesting. I'll just say rank in class. Rank in class. And what I can also do is also to do a VLOOKUP, a lookup our name. This time around I'll pick the rank from this place here, and so this is my 16th row, 16th column. Oh, sorry, just highlight. You'll be able to see the column by the bottommost right part. So 30 rows, 16 column, and so I want to look at 16 and give me the exact match, and you can see it's rank 11. So if we actually go to the Brian Carter, you can see the rank is actually 11 here. Let me zoom in so that you guys can see it. 11, and which is pretty interesting. What else? Average score, we can do a VLOOKUP of this. I'm gonna remove this. You can do percentage. I'll still do a VLOOKUP. I'm going to do a merge of this guy. Remove this dude. What else? Merge this guy, and we'll just do a VLOOKUP of everything. I can actually copy this guy here and paste it, because just leave it. Let's paste it here and paste it here. So what we are looking for is the grade and score, the total grade and score. Gonna do that in the next video. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.